Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from How Engineers Do It. Today I'm going to show you a really useful tip in Excel that for some users, including me, I've been getting this error for Microsoft Office Activation Wizard. So for some time I've been facing this issue, and I found the solution how to do it really quick, and I wanted to share that to my subscribers, and here it is. First of all, you should really look for a file which is called as OSPPREARM, right? And I'm just going to help you how to find that, and I'll tell you what needs to be exactly done on that, right? Now go back to the folder, and in the folder I've already located that OSPREARM, right? So basically what you got to do is you got to go into Microsoft Office and then root, then Office 16, and then you gotta find that particular file. See, the file will be there, OSPPREARM, right? Now you can go in, you can right click, and you can click on Run as Administrator. You might have to do this a couple of times. I would recommend 3 to 4 times, Run as Administrator, and after that you can close Excel, and then you can reopen Excel, right? So once you reopen Excel, you're not going to have that same error again. Right? It's just going to open like this, and your problem will be solved. All right, so thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned.